The faceless YouTube channel niche is totally unique and you won't find any other videos like it. You could be the first person to introduce this concept on your channel. If you are interested, I have actually created this content for you and there is a chance for you to pioneer this idea on your channel. Welcome back creators. Today I have got something really different for you. We are diving into a unique niche making videos about haunted roomscapes. Imagine this. We present a little story about a person who trapped in a spooky room. Then we'll ask the viewers to pick the best way to get them out. And that's not all. We'll reveal whether the path chosen was right or not. This is just one example though. I'll show you how to come up with various stories in this niche. And trust me, it's bound to be super captivating, intriguing and downright fun. I'll also show you how to use free text-to-speech AI to transform your script into audio with various expressions like scary, whispering, angry, yelling and more. Alright, let's take a look at what we are going to create. This way you can determine whether this video is beneficial for you or not.
Welcome to the Enchanted Manor, a haunted house filled with mysteries and eerie tales. You're trapped and must choose your escape path wisely. Option 1. The Whispering Mirror. You stumble upon an ancient mirror that seems to whisper secrets. It offers you a chance to travel through time and fix a past mistake. As you touch the mirror, you find yourself reliving a moment. Will you change the course of history, or will you be lost in time forever? Option 2. The Cursed Chalice. A dusty chalice sits on a pedestal, emitting an ominous glow. Legend says drinking from it grants eternal life, but there's a catch. You must sacrifice something precious. Do you take the risk and sip the elixir, or will you reject the cursed gift and seek an alternative?
In this haunted escape room, choose option 2. Reject the chalice to find an escape passage. Avoid option 1. The mirror, which traps you in a haunting time loop. Escape wisely.
Let's take a quick look at the steps we will follow to create this haunted roomscape story. First, we'll build a story using ChatGPT. Then we'll turn our script into audio with emotions using TypeCast Ai. After that, we will design images for the story using SDXL, or you can choose other options too. Finally, we will edit everything together using CapCut, or you can also use other editing softwares as well. Now let's start by visiting ChatGPT and copying the prompt that's mentioned in the video description. As I mentioned earlier, I'll now explain how you can create different stories in this niche. As you can see here, this prompt is saying, create me a house escape game on following topic like haunted house. If you want to change your story, like if you are interested in making a story about a mysterious jungle scape, just type it in here, mysterious jungle scape. Then also type the same topic here. And if you want to add more options to scape, just type them here. You can type 3 or 4 or more options as you want. Lastly, if you want to make videos longer or shorter, enter the time of duration here. You can describe duration in minutes and seconds. And if you want to increase the duration of skip options, specify the duration here. You can add duration in minutes and seconds. Now copy this prompt and come back to ChatGPT. Paste it in here and hit enter. As you can see that ChatGPT has generated us interesting mysterious junglescape story with 2 escape options. And here ChatGPT has revealed the correct choice. And the correct choice is option 1. Now that we have successfully created our story using ChatGPT, our next step is to generate images for this story. One more time, go back to the video description and copy another prompt. This prompt will generate images prompt for our story. Copy it. Now go back to ChatGPT and paste it here. Then hit enter. Now let's convert our story script into an audio file with emotions. Select the introduction and copy it. In a new tab, search for TypeCast Ai. I'll make sure to provide the link in the video description. Now paste this story introduction here. And in the type style, type scared. Then click on this little play icon.
Deep in the heart of the mysterious jungle, you find yourself lost. The dense foliage surrounds you, casting eerie shadows as daylight fades. Suddenly, you stumble upon a fork in the path. You have 2 options to escape.
You can also add multiple styles like mysterious. Then again click on this little play icon.
Deep in the heart of the mysterious jungle, you find yourself lost. The dense foliage surrounds you.
This is how it sounds in multiple styles. In a free plan, you can use up to 300 characters at a time. This means if we want to use it for free, we need to break our script into smaller parts, like we did here. This is how we can work within the limitations of free plan. Now once your script is converted into audio, just click on this little download icon. And here you can see that our file is downloaded. Now repeat the same process for other 3 parts.
Option 1. A faint sound of rushing water draws your Option 2. Sunlight filters through the trees, illuminating. The correct choice is option 1. As you carefully cross the bridge, victorious in your escape.
Now we have successfully converted our script into audio. And here are the converted audio files. Our next step is to create images for our story using SDXL 1.0 in ClipDrop. However, for generating images, you can also consider other platforms like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or Blue Willow. Open a new tab and search for clipdrop.co. Then scroll down a bit, click on Generate Image. Now go back to ChatGPT. Then copy the prompt we created earlier to generate images for our story. Next, come back to ClipDrop. Then paste the copied prompt here. Then click on this setting option and choose a style. I'm going to choose cinematic. Then click on aspect ratio and choose the aspect ratio you want. I'm going to choose widescreen 16:9. If you want to add negative prompts, you can also add negative prompt here. Once all set, then click on generate. ClipDrop has generated 4 images based on the prompt. If you are not satisfied with these 4 images, you can click on this little plus icon and it will generate 4 more images. Once you satisfy with the image, then select the image and then click on download. Then click on the back button, which will take us one step back. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, then go back to ClipDrop, paste the copied prompt here, then click on generate. Again, ClipDrop has generated us 4 images based on the prompt. Select the one and then click on download. Now repeat this process for remaining 2 image prompts. Here are the 4 images we have generated for our story using SDXL. Now if you want to remove its watermark, you can use this website called watermarkremover.io. Head over to the website by visiting watermarkremover.io, then click on upload image. Then select the image. Now here you can see that watermark has been removed. Alright, now let's proceed to the final step, which is the editing process. For editing, I'll be using CapCut desktop version, but feel free to use any application or software you are comfortable with. Editing is straightforward. First, we'll import our files into the software. After importing, the next step is to adjust the duration for each image, deciding how long we want them to be displayed. Keep in mind, this might differ between your setup and mine. Lastly, we will enhance the video by adding captivating captions to make it even more captivating and engaging. Additionally, we will add some spooky background music to enhance the horror atmosphere. Congratulations, we have successfully created this escape video. Let's play it and see the final result. But before that, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.
Deep in the heart of the mysterious jungle, You find yourself lost. The dense foliage surrounds you, casting eerie shadows as daylight fades. Suddenly, you stumble upon a fork in the path. You have two options to escape. Option 1. A faint sound of rushing water draws your attention to a river. You spot a rickety bridge. Its planks worn and unsteady. Crossing it might be risky, but it could lead to safety. Option 2. Sunlight filters through the trees, illuminating a hidden trail. It seems inviting, promising a way out. As you walk deeper, you come across a series of peculiar markings on the trees, as if they're guiding you. The correct choice is option 1. As you carefully cross the bridge, you notice signs of recent use footprints on the planks. It dawns on you that the bridge is frequented by animals, indicating a possible escape route. Following the animal trails, you eventually emerge from the jungle, victorious in your escape.